I'm doing what I love. And you know what I love to do? I love to eat sushi and hibachi. Hey, Tami Goodwin here. And I'm doing what I love. And you know what I love to do? I love to eat sushi and hibachi. So I'm here with Georgie's team. And God, let me show you these kids. They are crazy. Guys, these kids are crazy. So you see Sawyer there. Sawyer's in the red shirt. So Sawyer doesn't really eat sushi. So he's telling the boys, hype me up. So he can eat this sushi. So, all right, Sawyer, what you got? What you got? What you got?
Lobster mango. She's on IG Live.
All right. Y'all see Sawyer eating it. Sawyer eating sushi. I'm sorry, turn that what? What were you saying, Dustin?
I said,
What is that? Okay.
I said, turn that music down.
So we have Brody, Justin, Sawyer, Evan, Kyle, Christopher, and Ben is over there, but you just can't see him. And look, Melissa trying to hide. There she is. So yes, these boys are crazy. This is our last hockey time together. We are in Buffalo. Well, we're in Amherst, New York for the Nationals. So we're hoping to do well. We're really close to Canada, so I'll be taking a day trip tomorrow. But you guys, the food is so good. So Kyle is eating. He's literally eating a plate of sushi. He had a lot of sushi, and then he's going to eat that steak and fried rice.
You can tell by the size.
This is what kids do when their parents pay for the meal. They just order lots of stuff. And so this is Justin.
Did I say you could take my food, little boy?
And so this is Brody. Brody eats so much he makes my tummy hurt.
Look at this man's arm.
So y'all see his arm?
That is microscopic.
Brody, which gun do you have? Okay. So Brody had hibachi steak, fried rice, and then we had a plate of sushi.
Take the big kahuna.
I had a plate of sushi. I'm still working on it.
Take the big one.
So here's Christopher's food.
Stop. How you switch the camera around?
Take the big one.
Put the camera around. Stop. Give me the phone real quick. Mom.
But you think you
Wait, what the?
You're on
Mom.
Facebook Live.
Mom,
food.
what is that? What the heck is that?
So this is Ben's food. What did Ben order? Oh, Ben got steak and chicken. There's Evan. Evan is eating his sushi. Hey, Rodney, I know you're loving this, man. Look at Sawyer. Sawyer ate everything but his veggies. Eat them veggies.
You sent me that photo?